How you doing, everyone? Welcome to another new week. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to everyone who's been supporting the channel. I appreciate the comments, the likes, appreciate it to the fullest. Thank you so much. Continue to tune in. I got more coming. So today we have Goldman Sachs Group, and their ticker is GS. Okay, so we're on the daily chart here for Goldman Sachs. They're like in the middle of no man's land. This is what I call it when they're like in between two areas where I would like to see more happening. So for now, I don't see uh I don't see them going anywhere as far as up or down. They're just basically consolidating it at the moment. But if I head down to the M15, all right, so to give you a play-by-play, right, I would need for price to basically break out of like this area here, right? So I needed to break out towards the downside if it's going to come down and give me a better opportunity towards the upside. But it looks like it's just trying to make its way upward, right? I would love to see it come back down towards this area around, I would like to say around 872 to 870 area, only because if it gets to that point, I will have a better opportunity to not only buy it back up, but also be able to get in on a better price point to where I can maximize my gains. So that's me doing it the way I'm looking at it. That's it. I don't know why I'm okay. Okay, so yeah, I am recording, right? Okay. So sorry, just been having like crazy issues with the whole setup and everything. Okay. Other than that, if it does end up continuing bullish from this point on, right? Which it basically can. I mean, I'm not saying it has to come down. I'm saying if it does come down, that would be, at least for me, the most optimal area and price point to where if I get in, I'm gonna be more inclined to hold it long term going upward, because if you see here, even on the daily chart, it's been on a bullish trend, right? It just started to break again, going towards the upside. So I'm more inclined to see more buying opportunities than actually seeing more sells. That's just me though. But yeah, if it does break out though, if it does continue on bullish from this point all the way up to like tomorrow's open and stuff, I would like to see it when it opens tomorrow. I mean, I would like to see it, if it does continue like opening higher, right, gapping up, breaking that that 940 area. I see 940, 241, that 940 area. If it does end up breaking, I would like to see at least a sort of retest of this area here, and then continue going towards the upside, and possibly even breaking that high of 984. Let's just say 85, 985, and then going much further. Man, if it can reach that 1,000 point, that'd be lovely. But again, to maximize gains, I would like to see it come down from here. Just give a little steeper retrace. Just give me that, and then go towards the upside. That's it. And then create the break, the retest, and the continuation going towards the upside. That's really it. If it doesn't, then cool. I'm okay. If it does break, retest, I'll take that. I'm not gonna fight too much on that. But again, on the M15, I mean, if it's gonna continue that bullish trend, even if it gaps downward and then it goes back up, okay. But I want that 870, that at least that 880 area, at least that that 880 area, 878, 872, sweet spot, sweet spot. So yeah, with that being said, if you guys are liking the content, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share any comments down below that you may have about the charts. Is there anything you want me to break down? Any other tickers, any other instruments, anything, currency, anything with Japanese candle, I can go ahead and break down. If you want more detailed breakdowns, let me know that as well, because I don't mind doing that on the channel as well. I'm just trying to make this as not short, but short and sweet, to the point you can watch it, gain some knowledge before market opens, and then place your trades on that. Again, this is all educational purposes. but at the same time, I'm trying to just show you guys how I mark up my charts and what I look for to kind of give you a better bias in case you're doubting yourself. Don't doubt yourself. You're learning, and it's all about just growing. Like I mess up too. I'm human. I break my rules every now and then. I end up getting in my head sometimes. It happens. We're human, so don't even stress that out. But with that being said, thank you everyone. Have a great and profitable week. And if you have any questions, again, feel free to drop them down below. Again, like, comment, subscribe. It lets YouTube know that I'm actually doing a great job here. Peace. Have a good one.